Hello friends, today we will be understanding that how AI works internally, but we won't go much into technical details, but these are the details that I will try to take you through so that you understand that AI is not a magic, but it's a set of formulas, it's set of statistical formulas which helps the AI to give you the relevant answer. So this is basically the framework which AI follows in a very simple term. So what happens is whenever we give a prompt to the AI, so for example, I gave a prompt which says once upon a time, which the AI won't have any idea about, but still, if you provide this as a prompt, AI will respond something to you, right? So how does it do that? Whenever you are giving any prompt, there is always a dictionary which converts all your words to numbers. This dictionary is kind of prefetched in the AI training, which always maps your each word to each number, right? There comes the tokenizer. So basically all your prompt is broken down into tokens which are nothing but numbers, right? Because AI as a model just understand numbers and not words. So once your prompt is tokenized, then basically all the tokens that is there is fetched to the LLM, right? So all these tokens are fetched in parallel. That is the main thing that you should understand. AI never receives your entire prompt as a sentence. What it does is it will receive the once, upon, and a time as a separate context, and from the entire dictionary that it has, it will try to make sense of it, right? But every time this happens, the AI will just return the next word. So, for example, here what it will return is when you are asking once upon a time, the next token here that the AI will return is just there, right? And this process kind of continues until AI sends, AI here is basically the LLM. The LLM sends the response with an end of sequence token. So end of sequence is something which tells us that, hey, now this entire statement makes sense, and that is why it should send to the user. So that is when the numbers again become text using the tokenizers, and we receive the complete response from the AI. So this is how the AI works end to end in a very simple terms, but we can go into more technical details in the upcoming videos. Thanks for joining in. See you next time.